Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba. Home services continues dominating the top categories list on our weekly paper call market report, which is released every Friday. Pest control falls within that category. And we had the chance to talk with pest control campaign expert Dave Maman from WeCall about pest control campaigns and how to best optimize them. Dave started in the paper call industry with pest control campaigns. As one of his favorite verticals to work with, we decided to dig into his knowledge base and share with you the best pest control campaign strategies. So Dave, what are some strategies you use for running pest control campaigns on search, and what is the number one thing you wish you knew before you started running Google pay per call ads?
That's a great question, Jordan. You know, pest control is my first love in the pay-per-call industry. It's the first vertical I ever started and the first vertical we ever did. The reason why we chose that vertical was largely due to timing and the ease of the campaign. It's incredibly, it's a great campaign. It's pay-per-call 101 for folks that are just getting started. The reason why, if you're going to be doing Google ads, which is what I would recommend, because pest control is a search-based type of service. Somebody has a need for a pest control service. Obviously, they're going to search in Google as opposed to using Facebook and doing passive ads about general pest control. Somebody has the problem, they reach out. So it's an emergency service. People need it immediately. The cost per click is relatively inexpensive. You can generate calls at a relatively low cost. So it's a great campaign if you're just starting in pay-per-call, because it allows you to cut your teeth without breaking your nose on very expensive keywords that you would find perhaps in auto insurance or any of the other more mature, more competitive type of verticals. As for tips and tricks, I think the key is to have laser focus on intent of the consumer and giving them exactly what they need. A lot of folks, when they take on a pest control campaign or any campaign for that matter, they feel that a general page is going to do the trick. And a general landing page will not do the trick. It certainly won't differentiate you from your consumers or help you maximize your ROI in a relatively competitive space. The best way to do that is really to have customized pages and dynamic keyword insertions on your pages so that nobody gets the same landing page experience. It's almost nobody gets the same landing page experience because you're really tailoring your landing page results to what the searcher is looking for. So for example, if someone is looking for bed bugs, you're going to convert a heck of a or types in into Google bed bug treatment near me, you're going to get a far better result taking them to a landing page with images specific to bed bug treatment and using the dynamic keyword insertions of the search query to insert into the landing page. It's tailored specific to what they're looking for. It creates a sense of authority, a sense of trust, and ultimately will increase your page rank with Google because you're giving them exactly what they're searching for. All of that creates a better experience, tells Google that you're taking care of their search customer, ultimately will give you a better page rank, ultimately will end up converting better, and you're matching them with the exact service that they're looking for, and ultimately overall a better experience for your advertiser, who will likely convert the call better. So it's a win-win-win all along the value chain, which just makes for an incredible experience. As for what I wish I knew before I started, I wish I knew how important it was to be very specific into how you present your landing page to unique unique search queries and tailoring the results.
Thanks, Dave. He's right. Using customized landing pages and dynamic keyword insertion to further maximize conversions really pays off. The key to any successful marketing campaign is to have laser focus on the intent of the consumer and to give them exactly what they need. With Google Ads, a lot of marketers sometimes make the mistake of thinking that a general landing page will do the trick, and it just won't. The best way to stay laser focused on consumer intent is to tailor your landing page exactly to the results of what the searcher is looking for by using customized landing pages and dynamic keyword insertions. For example, if you're running a pest control campaign and someone is searching for bed bug treatment near me, you're going to get a far better result by taking them to a landing page with images specific to bed bug treatment, and then using dynamic keyword insertion from the search query to then insert new copy into the landing page that's tailoring specifically to what they're looking for. This put together creates a sense of authority, building trust and providing users with a better customer experience. Now, for Google Ads, it ultimately results in an improved quality score, a lower cost per click, and more conversions. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.